Someone hands you a random data set and says find inside. Most people freeze. Here is the exact order to think in. Remember these 8 questions. Save this. First, what specific business problems are we trying to solve? Say, a manager hands you a data and tells you to find inside. First ask if they are worried about sales dropping, customer churning, or delivery slowing down. Same data, totally different analysis. Know this before you open Excel, SQL, Python, or Power BI. Second, who is the target audience and when they needed this? A CEO wants one number and a headline. For example, revenue is down by 8% driven by lower repeat purchases. An ops manager wants to break down which warehouse, which region, which category. Same data, different output because the audience decide what matters. Know your audience before you build a single chart. Third, which metrics defines success here? Revenue, retention, or operational efficiency? Pick your North Star metric first, the one number that tells the real story. For an e-commerce data set, that might be repeat purchase rate, not total revenue, because revenue can go up for one-time discount hunters while you are actually losing loyal customer underneath. Without North Star metric, you will be drowned under the numbers that doesn't matter. Fourth, what happened? Look at the sales trend. Say sales were flat for a month, then dropped to 20% in March, or it stayed flat. That's the pattern you are working with. Fifth, why did it happen? Segment it. For example, it turned out that March drop was mostly one region, and that region warehouse had a delivery delay. That's your driver. Hence, you can segment by region, product, customer type. Find the driver behind the trend. Sixth, what's likely next? Use the trend and driver to make the simple defensible prediction. For example, if that region's delivery delay is not fixed, predict sales there and check if sales keep dropping next quarter too. Simple prediction tied straight to the driver. Seventh, what decision will be made based on this analysis? Here, should we switch that region shipping partner or add backup warehouse? Most beginners skip this step. Eighth, what should we do? Recommend it. Switch that region's shipping partner within 30 days or add a backup warehouse before peak season. That's ending with action, not just chart. Comment order and I will DM you these 8 questions. Memorize this order. That's the difference between an analyst or a spreadsheet operator. Quiz. Sales dropped 20% in one region. What should you check first? Comment A, B or C. Repost and share as sharing is caring.